Here we have a Quickpack machine. These machines, I believe, are quite old, and they were back in the 70s when they were developed. They were 70s, 80s, around that time. Built collaboration between Minipack and the Quickpack, and I believe into Divipack or Itel Divipack. But anyway, besides the point, this is quite an old machine, but it's fully working, reasonable condition. I put this one on eBay for 150 quid, and I had the silly brigade. How many rolls of shrink film do you get with it? Come on guys, 150 quid for a fully working machine. What more do you want? Anyway, sealing system's in good nick. Rubber Teflon is new. Fibre panel was replaced. Heaters are all working. It reaches temperature okay. Hood's a bit tatty, although I could probably find another one that's a little bit better if necessary. But anyway, you take your pack, into your film, PVC on this machine, which it's best suited to. Cross to your seal area. There's no magnet on this machine, so it's bring the hood down, cut seal. You can see it shrink. Shrunk enough, release the hood. There you have. On this little machine, 150 quid. Bargain.